This is how you save hours in your process when designing for accessibility. I've popped open the Stark plugin inside Figma. What I'm going to do is select the screen and hit Run Sidekick. What that does is it scans every single layer inside that screen to find accessibility issues for me. It's pulled out some contrast issues as well as alt text that has not yet been written. And it's flagged a couple potential problems, which in this case would be I didn't define focus order, I didn't define landmarks, and I didn't annotate my headings yet. I'm gonna jump in and fix this color contrast issue first. So this text is too small for this contrast ratio. What I can do, since I have colors defined in my library, is use this dropdown, select a color that I like that passes, and hit apply to all. And so what that does is it fixes every instance of that color combination across this screen. So it fixed it here, and it also fixed it all the way down here on this button. Let's jump to alt text, because this is really cool. What it does is generate alt text for every single image inside the screen automatically for me. Now, if I don't like the alt text, or if it's not something that needs to be described, if it needs to be decorative, I can hit this X button and remove it. But all of this looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to hit apply suggestions. And what that does is annotate every single image in this file with a number badge associated with it, so my engineer can come in and know automatically what to write for the alt text. All right, next up is headings. What this does is it goes through each layer on my screen and it detects roughly what each heading level should be for pieces of text. You can also click around and it will show you what each piece of text is. This one down at the bottom should not be an H1. And that's what's so nice about this tool, is that it keeps me as the human in the driver's seat. So when I hit apply, I can still go through and remove headings that maybe were incorrect. For instance, like this H4 on basic, I would not want that to be in H4. So I'll go ahead and remove those, but it saves me so much time. It gets me past the blank page step where now I actually have something in there to work with. If I want to check my desktop design, I can just use this drop down and select that screen. And then I get issues for that. If I'm not actively working on contrast issues, I can collapse that section, and issues that appear in multiple instances are grouped together. So these contrast issues have multiple instances. If I click on that, I can see there's 10 things to fix. Overall, it's just a fast workflow. All right, I hope you learned something. Get out there and design accessible designs super fast.